Hi gardening spirit boosters, welcome to the channel. I hope that my balcony gardening will inspire you to want to garden too. Hey gardening spirit boosters, welcome back to the channel. It's Miss Janita, and today I am going to share with you, I believe this is my second plant from seeds, well, flower plant from seeds that flowered for me. I showed y'all the what do you call it, the color purple cosmos, and let me see what I'm trying to tell you. I was trying to make this thing look decent over here. Giving y'all a little plant decor, but I try and do my best. But anyway, the purpose of this video is to share with you, here's my second flowering plant. Susie, these are the seeds you gave me out that Cosmo mix. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't know the name of this plant here, but it's beautiful, beautiful yellow star-shaped flowers. Beautiful. This is the second plant from seeds. I grew from seeds, a flower plant from seeds that grew, and look, I got flowers. I guess if I can, I'll throw in a picture of my little Cosmo flower. That I grew from seeds. I'm trying to grow some more cosmos. And the rest of my flower seeds, they're not doing anything. I did show y'all an update on the nasturtium plant, I believe that is. You guys, I think this plant here is my nasturtium plant because of the leaves. It looked just like it. Huh, Patricia, Susie. I thought it was this plant here, but nope. I believe it's this one. The leaves look like nasturtium, if I'm pronouncing the word right. What do you think, Irene? Patricia? Susie? Some of the gardeners, y'all go check their channels out. Their names are in my community playlist on my channel. Go check it out. But it's growing. How about that? Loving it. I got a plant out there that looks straight like celery, but I'm not sure. But anyway, my joy here is this plant right here with these beautiful yellow flowers. I did it. I grew a plant from seeds that grows, blooms, flowers. I am so happy. I know to some people this don't mean this is nothing, but it's a lot to me. And anyone else that struggles to try to grow plants from seeds. And when you do it, it is fabulous and you love it. I know I do. Uh-oh. I zoomed the camera in, y'all. Excuse all the background junk and funk. But this video is about my beautiful flowers I grew. Aren't they gorgeous? Look like little corn on the inside. Let me get a close-up of that other one when it turns around. So what y'all doing today? You got any new videos? I'm sure I'm going to catch up on support. Do my best today and go around and visit your channels. Look like corn in there. It's beautiful. That's how T-Move do. Zoom up on the product to make it look big. Boy, boy, boy. Look at the beautiful frogs. Ooh, I need to back this up. Back up, back up. I do want y'all to see what's going on. I got the little frog babies hanging on to the plant pot. There's some turtles in there. Hey, frogs. There go a married frog couple. Me and these frogs, huh? When will I stop? When I run out of frog tokens, money? Look at that little guy hiding in there. Can you see him? He's in there. I found out that little guy is supposed to hold up incense. I haven't burnt incense in years. I know I'm just rattling on here, you guys, but I did want to come through, say hello, and share my plant grown from seeds, blooming flowers. Look at that little guy in there. Y'all see him in there. He's hiding. Hey, guy. I talked to my little fake frogs. I better cut it out, huh? All right, well, I'm going to let y'all go. Thanks. If any visitors, passy-bys, looky-loos, friends, new friends, hi, welcome back to the channel. If you like this content, think about subscribing. If you just want to know when it's some new videos up, you got to hit the notification bell and click the word all so that you'll see all of the videos I make come through so that you can watch them. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And I would appreciate it if you tell me what number thumbs up you are and also what number subscriber you are. That helps me because I would very much appreciate that. Okay, guys? Well, thank you for coming through. And my returning subscribers, thank you for all the support. Love you, love you, love you guys. The leaves on this plant are gorgeous. They are beautiful and green. They are gorgeous. Okay, lovely frog couple, all the frog characters. Thank you for helping me make this video. All right, you guys, I'm going to let you go. Thank you so much for coming through again. Thanks for your time and support.